Cryptocurrency investing is a rapidly evolving field. And as such, it's vital to keep up to date with the key terminology involved. ASIC, Application-Specific Integrated Circuit. Specialized hardware designed to mine cryptocurrency. Cold wallet, a secure wallet that stores your crypto offline, usually through a hardware device. FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, a tactic used to create negative sentiment towards a specific cryptocurrency. Halving, the reduction in the number of coins earned by miners after a predetermined amount of time. Mining, the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Moon, an optimistic slang term for a cryptocurrency's price increasing significantly. Node, a computer that stores and maintains the blockchain network. Pump and dump, an illegal scheme where individuals artificially inflate the price of a cryptocurrency and then sell it off. Stablecoin, a cryptocurrency pegged to a stable asset such as the US dollar. White paper, the initial document outlining the technical details and intentions of a cryptocurrency project. Have a blessed and informed trading day.